what is going on? We are gonna do some live day trading. Let's see what we can do. All right. We are on the 1 minute time frame, as you guys can see. That's really not my time frame that I trade, but we are gonna trade it. We are gonna trade it and see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's Friday. I really don't like trading Fridays, but I just finished up trading something else. Well, why do I have 5 contracts? It is 5. No, it's 5. It's 5. So let's see what we can do here. Again, it's Friday. I really don't like trading Fridays, so we shall see. We shall see how it goes. It's kind of late already, so we will see how this takes place. Yeah, by the way, my leg is still killing me, so. Oh wow, what a dump, huh? What a dump. Look at that. That's a good dump. That is a very good dump. Not bad. Look at that dump, guys. It's pretty good. That is pretty good. Well, we got a long way at the bottom so far, but I mean, let's see what we got going here. Well, it might come down up to, well, it's already past that. Let's see if it comes down here. Yeah, well, it hit. Well, we got a bunch of stuff that needs to be covered down here, so let's see what it, ooh, shuts. Look at that. That's non-stop, guys. That is non-stop. That's pretty good. Ooh, shuts. It's just dumping. It's dumping. But we don't want to get into something radical that we don't know what the hell it's gonna do, so let's just be a little patient and see what it's gonna do. Let me try to widen it a little bit so you guys can see it as well. It's a dumper. It is a dumper, guys. Let's see what the 5 minutes look like. Wow, look at that. 5 minutes. So it might get down here. Let's see what happens. So 76. No, I do day trading, MH. I do day trading. That's all I do. Day trading. This is NQ, as you guys can see right here. This is NQ. I don't do crypto. Just nothing but day trading. Day trading, NQ, ES, YM, all that good stuff. But as far as crypto and gold, I really don't like touching that. There's the 5 minutes. So holy shucks, look at that dumpster. Oh my god, look at that. That is crazy. I mean, it's a good dump. It is a good dump. Future Profit Trades. I grew a couple of gray hairs waiting for you. Got you. Future Profits. Got you. Yeah, it's a dumpster. It is a dump. Let's see what we got going. Let's see what we got going here. It's a little late to be trading because I normally like to trade, at 6:30 a.m. Start there, but I was pressured by future profit trades to get in here and place a couple of trades. So yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's still dumping, guys. It is still dumping. Well, let's go to the 15 minutes and let's see where it's gonna go. Well, we got a bunch of space down here, so ooh, shucks. Look at it's already getting down there to here. Wow, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. So let's see if we can catch the pump way up. I mean, on its way up. Let's see if we can catch that, because it's gonna, I'm short from 58. Okay. Better take your profits there, future profit trades. Take your profits, man. I don't know, it's kind of stuttering. Let me see. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. Well, I don't know. Yeah, you're good. You're good. That's the 1 minute. That's the 1 minute. Oh, shucks. That's pretty good. But look at that long wick right there is telling me that it's going to come back up. Little body at the top, long wick at the bottom. That's telling me right there that it's going to pump back up. So we shall see if we get that pump back up. So be careful with that future profit trades. I'm gonna put my mouse right there at the bottom of that wick and see if it bypass. Oh, there it is. Well, I was wrong. It's gonna keep dumping, I guess. We got 6 seconds left on that candle. So let's see what happens. Let me see if I can get an entry here. Okay, so I'm looking for this breakout right here on the 15 minute to jump back up. Let's see the 5 minute. Let's see what we got on the 5 minute. Okay, so it's right here right now. So yeah, I would look like somewhere up here to start heading up. I mean, even here, because of this breakout to the downside. So I would probably look here, a real short one from 46 to 50. 46 to 50, which would be 4 points to get in and out. But it's a dumpster, guys. It is a dumpster. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back now. It looks like it's pulling back. So let me put a set limit order here. I'm gonna put a set limit order at 60, and then 60. Well, not 60. I'm gonna go. Better safe than sorry. I'm gonna go to 64. 0.64 set limit order there, and then I'll probably go up to 75. Okay, 64, and then I'm gonna take my take profit at 70. What did I say? 75. Why? Hold on. Let's see if we get hit. New candles building. Still good time on it. I said 75, right? 64. Got 40 something seconds on there. It's kind of hesitating to get up there, but 35 seconds. Let me push it a little further up because I mean, the time on the candle is kind of low, so I don't want to get filled in. Anything under 20 seconds, I really don't like getting filled in. I'd rather wait for the new candle to pop, and then I'll take, I can get filled in then. Okay, so now it's dropping it at 6 seconds, so I might bring my entry a little further down as soon as this candle closes. Well, it's red, so we don't want to get in that yet. So we'll leave it at 66, and then I'll take my take profit at, what did I say? At 76 because of this breakout right here. You guys see it? You guys see the breakout? Let me see if I can pull it up for you. See this breakout right here? So it came down and then it came back up. Okay, so we're in. We've been filled. So let's take it up to, what did I say, 76? I'm gonna go 75. I'm gonna go to 75 with 5 contracts. That'll give us $875. Don't forget your stop loss, guys. I blew an account now putting stop losses. So I'm gonna go right underneath this second candle's body and put my stop loss there. Give it enough room to do its little pullback. Hopefully it doesn't do a big pullback, and then it just pops. It doesn't look like it's gonna do much of a pullback, but I could be wrong. Ooh.
Order
well, there goes $1,000, guys. I can only lose 1,500 more. That's all I can lose. Okay, so that was not good. So I'm gonna put my set limit order above this candle right here, 72, and then I'm gonna see if I can get that $1,000 back. I'll probably go up to 72 is above this gibberish right here, so I'll take it up to 81.
Order filled.
There you go. Okay, we're filled. Okay, let's go up to 81. Then my stop loss will be right under that candle, right under that candle right there. Let's take some money. Make sure we get some money, because we just lost $1,000, so we don't want to lose that trade completely. So
order filled.
Okay, so we got $180. So I'm gonna, it's a pop, guys. It's a pop. You guys see the trend? So it's a pop. So let me go here. I'll put another set limit order there. A set limit order there, and then we should go up to 96. So I put a set limit order at 87, and hopefully we go up to 96. I'm short 58. Target is 975. Good stuff. I drove my stop loss into the green just in case.
Order
trailed. Okay, trailed. Good stuff. Okay, so we just been hit. We've been activated. We need to get that $1,000 because we lost $1,000. So I'm gonna put my stop loss under the body of that candle. We should pop. This should not be a problem. This should be an easy one. So we shall see how it goes. Come on, buddy, pop. Let's pop. We should be good. Give my $1,000 back, buddy. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. So now you're asking, okay, why did you do that, Victor? Well, look at guys, look. So we got in here, right? This is the breakout. It came down and then it started popping, right? Why am I taking my take profit up here? Because this is where it stopped. You guys see it? I should bring it down just a little bit, but no, we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there, and
Order filled.
we just got hit again. Son of a biscuit. That was a bad trade. We're doing some bad trades this morning. Oh my God. Not good, not good. What the hell's going on with you? Oh, shucks. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm green 150 so far. Good stuff, good stuff. Hell yeah, that will work. That will work, buddy. Yeah, Fridays they're never good for me. That's why I try not to. If I'm gonna trade Fridays, I'm just gonna try to trade for about an hour, hour and a half. But other than that, I'm not really trying to trade Fridays. Fridays are not my days. Wow, look at that big old wick on the 15-minute. That is a big old wick. Look at the 5-minute. But if you guys can see, the trend is going up. It's trying to cover this big old gap right here. Let's see the 1 minute. See. Let's see. Let's see if I can show you guys what I look at. I'm looking at waves. Up, down, and then this is straight dropping right now. So it's going up, now it's coming down. You guys see that? So in what part of the wave are you in? Right? So it's coming down, it's going up, now it's going down. So why would you go long right here? It just makes no sense, right? Why? Because you're on it's a wave. It's a wave. It's gonna come down, or you're just gonna have to wait for it to push back up. But right now, we're on a downtrend. So why go long? Unless you're gonna scalp, you know? So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. NDS, what's going on, NDS? So we got 10 seconds on that candle. The body's okay, right? The wick is not long enough to tell me, hey, we're going short. But we will see. So, but like I said, we're in a wave, so I'm gonna put a set limit order to sell down here just in case, you know. And then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a buy limit order up here. Why? Because it bypassed this breakout. So it came up, then it came down. So if it passes this wick right here, it's pretty much gonna cover this gap right here. But market does some crazy stuff. That's why I like to cover both top and the bottom. So we shall see what it does right now, guys. We shall see. If it pops down, I'm thinking it's gonna cover this gap right here. If it pops down. If it dumps. NDS, you should look into this, NDS. This is pretty good, man. This is pretty good, man. Got 30 something seconds on this candle. I'm hoping it just kind of stutters right there, and then the next one builds down, because again, I don't like to get filled in.
Order
Right there, it's not enough time on the candle, but screw it, we're in it, we'll see. Okay, so stop losses, guys. Stop loss is very important. You guys remember the last time I didn't put a stop loss? I got choked. Let's get some profit. Let's get some profit, because we don't want to keep getting stomped out, you know? So we'll at least get 150 out of that. Can you guys see that? I know the damn screen's kind of small, but I'm trying to blow it up as much as possible for you guys so you guys can see it. So we're at a profit at 875. So let me bring it down so I can get in profit for 350. 900 bucks. I'm gonna put it under that wick right there, the body of this wick right here, so I can be in profit for 725. I'll get the majority of my stuff back. We're up 1200 bucks. Let's get it right there and just get 1,000 bucks for sure. Let's see if we can get this.
Order filled.
Yes, sir. There you go. 1,700 bucks right there, fellas. You guys seen it? Got it right back. What a trade. What a trade. All right. So, let's see here now, guys. Okay, so. Okay. See what we're doing here. Could it be a pop? Let's shrink this thing, because I really can't see the full picture. See what the 5 minute is doing. Let's see what the 15 minute is doing. Okay, so we still have more room down here to cover. We keep dumping. That is the big question. That's what it's looking like. But will it just dump up to here, which is the breakout? It came down, now it's going back up. So are we just gonna trade in this area right here? Is it just gonna be just like this? It might. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We got 8 seconds on that candle. Let's see what that candle looks, the next candle looks like, and maybe we'll get into a long. Maybe. But we shall see. We shall see. Huh. I'll tell you what. I will tell you. Let me see. It looks like a long now, guys. I think it's gonna pop. So I'm gonna put my set limit order at 0.54 to go long. 0.54 to go long. I'm gonna push it a little bit more because there's not enough time on that candle. There's only 11 seconds left, so I'm gonna go 0.56. 0.56. And then I might take my take profit at 65. I might take my take profit at 65, 0.65 if we get filled right now. There's plenty of time on that candle right now. So we shall see. We shall see how this looks. shall see. We shall see. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. It looks like the market's getting weak now, so we shall see. We shall see how it goes, guys. We shall see how it goes. Well, when you're doing day trading, you pretty much have to find. I mean, this is what I've realized. You have to find your times to trade. Uh, just because the market's open doesn't mean it's a good trading time. You have to find your rhythm. Like for me myself, like I said, I like to trade early in the morning at 6:30. if if I don't make good money by say 7:30, 7:40, I'll come back at 12 in the afternoon, and then again I'll just trade for an hour. If nothing good shows, then I look at it again at 5 p.m. and again I'll stay on there for an hour till 6 o'clock, and then if I get nothing at that time, I'll get back on at 8 p.m. and then I'll look at it for another hour. And the same thing, if I don't see nothing good, then I just won't trade. But I'll just look at them time frames for an hour. That's it. If I don't get nothing, then I'm okay with that. But I do look at them times. 12 o'clock, 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. But I only traded for an hour. That's it. At 6:30, of course, I can go up to 10 o'clock a.m., 11 o'clock a.m., depending on how the market is moving, But an hour and a half is good enough for me to get my trades in. Right now, I'm just trading because I've been peer pressured by future profit trades. But again, this is really not my day to trade. I'm not really into trading Fridays. Fridays and Mondays are not really my trading days. But we shall see. We shall see. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. 15-minute looks like a dump. See that? It looks like a dump. I mean, it hit all the way down here already. You guys see the wick, and it came to the body of this breakout. So it came down, consolidated, and went up. So, I mean, it could still come all the way down here, but we shall see. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. 5 minutes not looking. It looks like a dumpster. It looks like it's going to keep dumping on the 5-minute, but look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is just consolidating. It's not going nowhere. But we did say the 15 was a dumpster, the 5 was a dumpster. Let's see the 30. 30 is a dumpster too. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Let's cover our bases. 37 seconds. Let me put a sell limit order on. No, I don't like that number. I'm gonna put it at 13. 0.13 for a sell limit order. If it keeps dumping, then we'll catch it right there. we shall see. We shall see how it does. See what this market will do. But I mean, early this morning it did do pretty good, fellas. Look at what it did this morning. That was not bad. That was some pretty good moves. It did the M right there, and then it just dumped. It's doing some. Now it's finally taking some kind of, well, it finally took some direction here, and then it popped up. So, but let's hope it snaps out of this consolidation right here, because this is all consolidation. It's just going sideways. And this is what I like to do. I like to look at the 5-minute and see what it's doing. And if it's just doing this and it's not going anywhere, I go to the 1-minute and pretty much draw a box, like where I have my limit orders here and here, and you'll see that it's just gonna trade within there. So that one's got 49 seconds. I like to get filled in. You guys see the timer on the clock on the candle, so we still have pretty good time to 38 seconds. So I'm always looking at the time on the candle, and if it's close to my set limit order, then I'll move it away so I won't get filled if it's under 20 seconds, because I don't want to get filled in under 20 seconds, because that doesn't give it enough time to keep going the same direction. But look at my favorite thing to look at: long wick, little body. I look at that, and that pretty much tells me it's going to reverse and go the opposite direction. But it hasn't closed. That's the thing. Okay, so now it's closed. So now we got a bigger body, a smaller, a longer wick, and a smaller body. So that indicates to me that it's going to reverse and start going up. But again, I see that pattern a lot. But again, the market is going to do what it's going to do. It's not going to do the patterns that we see every time. But like a wise man told me one time, study the candles. Study the candles, the way they move, and then you'll be a profitable trader. But right now, your thing is study the candles, the way they move, the way they close, the way they open, the wicks, all that good stuff. And what I recommend for everybody is just look at YouTube videos. YouTube videos, I mean, everybody has posted strategies on there. Just keep looking at them. Keep looking at them, and eventually one of these channels will click to you, will make sense to you, and you'll start getting the hang of it. So, like I said, you guys see the little body, long wick at the bottom, and look what it's doing. It's popping. It's reverse now, So, 28 seconds. So the reason why I put my set limit order up there is because it's above the breakouts. You guys see that? So we'll see. We'll see if it continues the same direction. If it does, we'll have a winning trade, and hopefully we can make some great money today. We lost a lot of money, but we got it back. See, I wouldn't mind getting filled in now, but again, if it's under 20 seconds, I will grab this and push it a little further up. Let's take this off.
Order fill.
Because we're in on this one, and I'm gonna go. Okay, I got in at 0.555. 0.55, and I'm taking it up to 0.65. So what is that? Future profit trades 10 points. If we get it, we'll make 975. It's getting a little pullback right now, which is normal. Let's bring this down. Oh no, 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 no. Now we should be okay, guys. We should be okay. We should be okay. And another thing that I also noticed that whenever it's going one direction, it's got a big old long candle like this one right here, just the body, a long body. I always get this, just a regular sized body. It's always gonna show either the opposite color of this with the length of the wick on both sides almost the same length, and it's gonna keep popping. It does that all the time. I see it all the time. So that's 16. Oh, man, it's getting close. It's getting close. 2000. No, 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 dude. No, 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 no. Can't do this to me. You cannot do this to me. No, no. Oh, shucks. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. It's gonna take me out. It's gonna take me out. I know it's gonna take me out. That's it, guys. If it hits me right there, yeah, I blew this account. If it hits me right there. That was a bad trade. Bad trade. Bad Friday for me. Bad Friday. Go up, dude. Go up. Get your butt up, man. Up. Nah, it's going to take me out. Freaky future profit trades. Oh, shucks. It's gonna take me out, guys. It's gonna take me out. I think it's gonna take me out right now. I should close it out. I should close it out, but I had confidence in this trade, but now that it built the way it built, yeah, it's gonna take me out.
Order.
It's over, guys. It's over. Shucks. So I gained the $10,000, so now I can only lose $1,000 more. That's it. That's it. If I lose $1,000 more, that's it. It's gonna take me out. It's gonna blow my account. So let's be a little more careful about this. Future Profit Trade says I went full retard on my practice account. 1,100. Oh, shucks. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was pretty bad right there, guys. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we're just gonna trade in. Oops. Let's see if we're just gonna trade in this zone right here. If we are, then we can take some pretty good trades. Let's see if we're gonna trade in this zone. This does not look good. This does not look good. Not good, not good, not good, guys. Not good. That looks like a long, guys.
Order
That looks like a long. That looks like a long. I'm gonna take it down here. Ooh, 12. The suspense is on. The suspense is on. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what I went for. Okay, I see it. Come on, buddy. Get up there. Get up there.
Order
That's it, guys. Account has been blown. Another account has been blown. Oh, shucks. Yeah. So, ain't no need. Ain't no need. I mean, Fridays, it's bad. It is bad. Don't trade Fridays, guys. I mean, trade Fridays, but god darn it. Fridays are never good for me. Never good for me. Okay, let's go look at this other account. Let's see how we're doing on this other account. Okay, let's see. This is funding ticks. This one's funding ticks. Okay, so that one's only 49. So on this funding ticks, I can only lose. I can only make what is it? You guys already seen it, but two. So what? This one I gotta make. What is it? I gotta trade it for 3 days, and I have to make 2,500, but I have to trade it for 3 days. So you have to break it up, 1,000 one day, 1,000 another day, 500, or however you want to mix it up. But this one looks like it's down. It looks like it's down $1,000. Holy shuts! What the heezy for cheesy? Okay, let's see what we can do on this one. Let's see what we can do. Okay, that's not good. Let's see what the 5 minute is showing. This is my thing, guys. I like to go to different time frames just to get a bigger picture, an idea of what the trend is doing, what the candles are doing. As you guys can see, it's already came down here, but it's got plenty of room to keep dumping. You know, it's got all this to cover. So that's the thing. Will it go down there? That is the big question. So let me see. It's only 7 seconds left on that candle, as you guys can see. So there's really not much that I want to get into right now because of the time on that candle, you know. And again, I just want to get away from these breakouts, and hopefully it keeps popping. But it doesn't look like a pop, guys. It looks like a dump. This is another thing I like doing. Okay, so draw your lines. There's your trend line from the top. You see, and that pretty much gives you a bigger picture of what the candles are doing. You know, it's coming down, so there's no need for you to get into anything but a dump. Why? Because the trend is indicating downward. Make sense to you guys? Hope it does. So I buy accounts just to keep practicing. I don't fund them if I pass their evaluations. I don't fund them. I just practice, you know. I just practice. I try to get cheap evaluations. Like Bullinox right now is I mean, it's $15. Go get it. Bullinox. Discount code Victor G. Oops. Don't even know how to spell my own name. Huh? Victor G. No, I'm good. I'm gonna eat the burrito. But don't warm it up. I'll warm it up myself. Discount code. And right now it is what is it right now? I think it's $17. I just bought one. Don't even know. Oh wow. 50K. 50K. Count. So yeah, go get some cheap evaluations, guys. If you've already paper traded for a good while, go get some cheap ones, man. Don't spend your money on getting these expensive evaluations. That looks like a short, guys. That looks like a short. 45 seconds. Oh, let's take it.
Order filled.
Let's take a short.
Order
rejected.
Order rejected. Why? Because I put different buy stop. But yeah, don't buy no expensive evaluations, guys. There's no need for all that. It's just worthless. Right now, what you want to do is buy the cheapest ones, pass 5, 6, 7 of them, and then you should be good to go. You know, just practice on First, practice on paper trading. Do maybe a month and a half of paper trading, and then after you do that, you know, buy some cheap evaluations. Pass 4 to 5 evaluations back to back. Once you pass the evaluations, then you can start funding them evaluations. Once you pass the evaluations, but first, just pass the evaluations, 4 or 5 of them back to back, non-stop. That right there is gonna pretty much tell you, hey, I got this. You know, you're gonna bring that same system of trading into the funding part, and you'll be fine. But first, try to pass 4 or 5 evaluations back to back, non-stop. Look, guys, this thing is just not. If anything, we're gonna end up blowing this account as well. So, I mean, it's just trashy trading right now. if you can, just stop already, because this has no direction, you know. It has no direction. It dumps and then it consolidates. Dumps, consolidates. So if I was you guys, I'd stop. I stop and come back Monday, because this is not good. This is not good trading right now, guys. Shucks. I'll wait it out a little bit, but I wouldn't do it, guys. I would not do it. We've done a couple of trades and they have not been good, guys. They have not been good. So leave it alone. Leave it alone. Call it a day. Call it a day, because this is not good stuff. I tell you what, I'm gonna help you guys out. I'm gonna call it a day myself. Because yeah, this is not good trading, guys. Yeah, let's call it a day, guys. Let's call it a day. All right, fellas. Well, if you guys are out there driving, drive safe. Be safe. We'll see you guys Monday, if not Tuesday. I'll try to see if I can do a little bit of trading Monday, but I doubt it. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully you stay tuned for Monday or Tuesday, and we'll get it going. All right. But for sure, I'll stream Monday. All right.